Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm gonna test this Copil inverter AC. Now I will switch on the breaker and then switch the reset because there's no remote. We're gonna observe if it is going to wake. This is the outdoor board and this is the indoor. So far guys, this indoor fan motor is spinning. We just wait for the compressor and outer fan motor to be working. This is connected to the compressor. So guys, now the outdoor fan motor and compressor are working so far. Let's take a look and observe several minutes if it is working properly. The compressor is working. Fan motor. So guys, by the way guys, the problem of this before, the compressor and auto fan motor instantly turning on but immediately shut off. Now I found out the problem is this current sensing resistor, which is R316. The value is 0.016 ohms. Now it's high resistance, almost open. That's why I replace it. The PCB board of the resistor is R316. The value is 0.01 ohm. Okay guys, thank you very much for your support in watching this video. I hope even a little you got learn something about it. Okay, thank you very much. See you next video. Okay, bye. I will switch off the breaker.